Have you been looking for a semi-custom new construction home on a large lot in the Simpsonville area? In this video, we're going to take a tour of the Latimore floor plan by Toll Brothers right here in Coachman Reserves in Simpsonville, South Carolina. Now, if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor. I'm out of here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by guiding and supporting them as they purchase their dream home and sell at the best price. And we would love to help you too. All right, so all of our contact information are in the description box below. We would love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. All right, so we're gonna check out this Latimore floor plan. It's about 3,200 square feet. Like I said, it's on a cul-de-sac lot, 3-car garage. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms with a loft area. All right, so plenty of concrete here for parking. You've got extra parking pad there. Obviously the sod is not in yet, so they're still working on this home. And this is the 3rd-car garage. The 3rd car, you don't actually have access to the 3rd car from the inside of the home, but you do have a door, a yard door leading to the outside. Tankless water heater. You do have an opportunity to, if you wanted to put a door from the laundry area into this area, you could, I think you could probably do that easily. 2-car garage on this side, that does lead to the inside of the home, okay? Go down the sidewalk here. And this is a hardy plank neighborhood. No vinyl sidings in here, or it's all cement board siding, as you can see. And one thing with these Toll Brothers homes is they use these nice, tall front doors, really with the glass in it. So it lets in plenty of natural light, okay? And as you come in, to the right is the powder room. So you've got a coat closet here and luxury vinyl planks throughout the main level. So you got your powder room there. 2-story foyer. And your formal dining room. Okay, and this goes to the Butler's pantry. So you got some cabinets there, quartz countertop, walk-in pantry. And I'm gonna get out here and pan around. Let me show you this first. So you got farmhouse sink there, tile backsplash. They'll put a range hood right over here, and you'll have the breakfast area, and you will have a built-in microwave and a built-in oven there as well, and a few spots for a bar stool there, and nice crown molding. And you do have this 4-panel sliding glass doors that actually basically opens all the way to the end there. It does go a little bit further, but I don't want to push it too much. So you see how wide that entryway is once you open all 3 of them. And covered patio. So you'll have a little bit of, backyard here. 0.57 is the lot size here. And this is the access to the patio from the primary bedroom, okay? And let's go ahead and check out the primary bedroom. Tray ceiling, and that's the door to the covered patio. Again, luxury vinyl plank floors in here as well. And the ensuite bathroom, large vanities, plenty of space for all your bathroom supplies. The tile shower, tiled all the way to the ceiling. You got the bench seat there, double niche. And you're gonna have wren head, shower head right up there, and then you got the shower head there, plus your the wand that you can extend. linen closet, and there's tile flooring in here, water closet, and then your walk-in closet here. All right, so, and I'm sure you saw the fireplace earlier, right there. Tray ceiling in this family room area, the mud room. Okay, and this is the laundry room. So this was what I was saying about, you know, if you wanted to, you could possibly be able to put a door there if you wanted a door into that third garage. And then you're gonna have a sink. So you got the plumbing for the sink already here, and tile flooring in that laundry area. And then this is the 2-car garage, okay? So you got 2-car garage here, and then that third car is on that side. Okay, so we're gonna start heading upstairs, and right here you do have a floor outlet that they will install here. So when you put your furniture up, you can be able to plug a lamp or something else in there. So right here, we didn't come this way earlier. So right here you got your, you know, where all your, you know, Cat 5, Cat 6 cables are, and a little bit of storage there, and open spindles, which is nice. Kind of opens it up a little bit. And to the left here, you got, you know, the attic space. So just to be able to access, you know, whatever is in the attic there, but, you know, no storage really for this one. And then you have another attic space right above the loft area here. And, you know, if you can, I don't know if you can see that. You see the shiny silver thing? Those are like they call it like the tech shield. Kind of helps keep the house a little bit cooler, especially up there in the attic, because it does get hot, you know, especially during the summer. Sometimes it gets really hot up there, so it's nice to be able to help, you know, keep that a little bit cooler. All right, so you got the loft area here, and we'll check out this bedroom, decent sized bedroom, and ensuite bathroom. And these drawers and cabinet doors are all soft close drawers and cabinet doors. Tile shower all the way to the ceiling, and you got the little bench in this one, and private linen closet, walk-in closet, okay, and you know, you got 4 windows in here, so good natural light coming through here. All right, so right here is another linen closet with double doors, and third bathroom, double sinks. Again, pull out drawers, soft close drawers and soft close cabinet doors. Tub shower with the tile all the way to the ceiling. Nice little niche there. And another bedroom. Closet. It's probably the smallest of all the closets, but still not too bad. And then your 4th bedroom. Walk-in closet. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area here, let my team and I help you. We would love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. All right? Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com.